Immediate was great to work with. We have used the other guys in the town, but the level of satisfactory was not up to that mark. After a long search, fortunately, we have got BeImmediate.com. It was able to provide so much more as a part of the exclusive partners network. Here we are able to take the full advantage of the Be Humanitarian project. For us, it equals for like about $3,500 per year in tax write-offs. Not only this, it has also been attracting like a ton of exposure towards our store and our involvement also with local non-profits. It's perfect if you have a non-C-store or if you own 20. These guys are perfect to work with. Thanks so much, Matt, Clint, Johan and Tommy. You guys are great and very supportive. I really thank you very much, and I enjoy working with you guys and look forward in 2012.